Callahan Beekeeping and Homestead Ideals here. We got the bees in the observation hive last night. So this is what it looks like today so far. And this is just the one side of it, but seems they're doing pretty good. I got their feeder set up for them, so they finally figured out how to get in and out. So that's what they're doing now. So getting their home fixed up again. I have not seen her. She's probably in between the frames. Yeah, I gotta do some adjustments. Gotta tweak the frames just a little bit. Get everything going right. But here's the outside of it. They're finally figuring things out, so they should be alright now. We'll check back with them in a few days or something, week maybe, and put out another video. But until next time, like and subscribe. Have a good one. Later.